So now you can solve a problem using Newton-Raphson method. So this is the question. X square plus y equal to 11, y square plus x is equal to 7, given x0, y0 equal to 3.5 minus 1.8. So let first take f of x equal to the x square plus y minus 11, g of x equal to y square plus x minus 7. Then f of x0, y0 will be, substituting the value of x0 and y0 in f of x and g of x, you can get the value of f of x0, y0, g of x0, y0. Now you have to find a matrix, J matrix. So J into HK is equal to minus F0 minus G0. And J is nothing but Jacobian matrix, dou F by dou X, dou F by dou Y, dou G by dou X, dou G by dou Y. Now you have to find the values of dou F by dou X, dou F by dou Y, dou G by dou X and dou G by dou Y. Then you have to substitute the values of this in J matrix here. Okay, so and x is initial approximation x0, so multiply this equation with 3.5. 2x2 into 3.5 you will get it as 7, and 2 into minus 1.8 you will get it as minus 3.6. You will get the J matrix. Now you have to substitute these values here, and minus f of x0, y0 and g of x0, y0 has been found earlier. Substitute the value, then solve for h and k. Then you will get h value of h as 0.0855 and k as minus 0.0485. So the further better approximation to the root can be obtained by x1 equal to x0 plus h and y1 equal to y0 plus k. x0, y0 given in the question, h and k we have found earlier. Substitute the values, you can find the value of new approximation x1 and y1. Now you have to repeat the procedure by replacing x0, y0 by x1, y1. Then you will get f of x0, x1, y1 as minus x1, y1 as plus 0.0078. So there is an error. Okay, it is positive. So plus 0.0078 and plus 0.0024. Now what? Yeah, multiplication j into h by k equal to minus f0 minus g0. So f0 value is positive 0.0078 and g0 value is positive 0.0024. Okay, so substitute the values here. Then here x will be what? X will be initial approximation, that is x1. Okay, so 2 into x1 you will get the value, 2 into y1 you will get the value here. Now do matrix multiplication and solve for h and k. So h is minus 0.00113 and k is 0.00034. Then the next approximation will be x2 is equal to x1 plus h and y2 equal to y1 plus h. So you can repeat the step if needed. Okay, so this is about Newton-Raphson method. Now we can go through module 3. So this is the syllabus. Okay, so first we are going to learn about Lagrangian interpolation. So Lagrange's interpolation formula: if y equal to f of x, take the value of y0, y1 etc. yn corresponding to the x is equal to x0, x1 etc. xn, then f of x is given by x minus x1 into x minus x2 etc. x minus xn into y0 by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2 in etc. x0 minus xn into this, plus x minus x0 into x minus x2 etc. x minus xn by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 etc. x1 minus x1 into y1 plus etc. This is called Lagrangian interpolation formula for unequal intervals. Now if x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, y0, y1, y2, y3 are not, then f of x can be given written by using Lagrangian interpolation formula as f of x is equal to L0 y0 plus L1 y1 plus L2 y2 plus L3 y3 plus L4 y4. So L0 will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into x minus x4 by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3, x0 minus x4. Similarly, in case of L1, it will be x minus x0 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 into x minus x4 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, x1 minus x4. Similarly, you can write L2, L3 and L4. Okay. So, using, this is a question, using Li function, find f of 9. Okay, so here taking x as x is equal to 9 here. So this is the values given x and y. 5, 157, 392, 1, 1452, 113, 2366, 17, 5202. So here f of x will be L0 y0 plus L1 y1 plus L2 y2 plus L3 y3 plus L4 y4. Okay. One term is missing here, L3 y3 plus L4 y4. So L0 can be found by using the equation, this one. So substitute the values of x and x, x1, etc. So this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Okay, so substitute the values here in L0, then L1, L2, L3 and L4. You have to find the values of L0, L0, L1, L2, L3, L4. Okay, after that, this is what? This is Y0, this is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 and Y4. So, L0 into Y0. That is, after finding this, you can multiply this L0 into Y0 plus L1 into Y1 plus L2 into Y2 plus L3 into Y3 plus L3, L4 into Y4. So you will get the values of f of 9. That will be obtaining as 8, 10. Okay, this is how Lagrange's interpolation is done. So you have to remember this formula, how to write L0, L1, L2, L3 and L4. Okay, so you have to study this one in detail. So you have to rememberize this formula. So for remembering, you can look here. When finding L0 here, we are avoiding x0 term in this numerator. Okay, and in the denominator, we start by using this x0 term. X0 term is kept as constant here. So x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3, etc. And in case of L1, you can listen here. So we are avoid, in the numerator, we will exclude the term containing x1. While in the denominator, we will include the term containing x1 here. Similarly, L2, we will ignore the term containing, we won't use x2 term in the numerator, but we use it in the denominator. Okay, so you can, if you remember this formula, then it will be very easy to find the solution. So all of you have to study this formula. Okay, so that's all in today's class. Next class we can learn about Hermitian interpolations and so on.